Some of the most important things in the world are things you barely notice. A bee, an ant, a tiny bird, small, easy to overlook. On the manufacturing floor, it's the same story. The big machines get all the attention. But what about the small stuff? The time your best people spend walking parts across the floor. The trips back and forth that add up. Hour after hour, shift after shift. Motion waste, time lost, value left on the table. Meet Mark. Mark handles the one thing that's been quietly slowing you down, moving stuff from point A to point B, so your people don't have to. No Wi-Fi, no IT setup, no facility overhaul. Up and running in under 10 minutes. It won't make headlines, but it will give you back something priceless. Your team's time, their focus, and their skills spent on work that actually matters. Mark, from Mule Technologies, the smarter cart, powered by AI.